Hi, my name is John and I work at American AVK. AVK is a leading worldwide manufacturer of valves for the water, gas, wastewater, and fire protection industries. We are continuously developing new innovations and technologies to better serve our customers. We manufacture all of our products in the United States at our 180,000 square foot ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified facility located in Minden, Nevada. All of us at AVK strive to deliver the best quality products with improved features, meeting our customers' needs today and into the future. Currently, we manufacture gate valves from 1 inch to 30 inches with new types and larger sizes in development. In 1971, AVK led the world by developing resilient seated gate valve technology. We have always focused on the heart of the gate valve, the resilient wedge. AVK has an extensive research group for elastomer technology development. This provides AVK with complete control over the quality of the rubber used and the process to bond the rubber to the ductile iron core of the wedge. All AVK gate valves have bodies and bonnets that are cast from ductile iron. Each valve component casting is shot blasted to a near white finish and then epoxy coated to the requirements of AWWA C550. For our Series 65 gate valves, the interior epoxy coating is the AVK VelaCore system. The VelaCore system is certified to provide a holiday-free interior coating as our standard offering. A holiday is a pinhole in the coating at which corrosion starts. The wedge is the most important part of the gate valve. The AVK wedge consists of a ductile iron core encapsulated with EPDM rubber to ensure long life in drinking water distribution lines. Our EPDM is resistant to chlorine, chloramines, ozone, and UV exposure. It is also resistant to abrasion and has an excellent memory, so that stones and other debris will not damage the valve if dropped under the wedge. AVK can also supply nitrile rubber should your application require it. Each ductile iron core is sandblasted to a near white metal finish according to NACE standards, coated with special rubber bonding primer, and then high pressure vulcanized to ensure a very strong bond between the rubber and the iron. The wedge nut is pressed into the wedge core before it is encapsulated with rubber to ensure that there will be no exposed iron at which corrosion can begin. Corrosion of the wedge can cause the rubber to delaminate from the iron, preventing the valve from sealing. The guides of the wedge are concave so that the wedge will not vibrate or slide back and forth in the wedge cavity of the gate valve. All of these features combined ensure that the wedge will travel correctly in the valve for thousands of cycles with very little wear to the rubber or other operating components. AVK's standard stem is stainless steel, complying with the requirements of AWWA. The threads are pressed and not cut into the stem. This cold rolling process hardens the thread area to limit wear and still leaves a strong core for durability in extreme operating conditions. As an option, AVK can provide a high-strength bronze stem so that we can meet all of your needs. Each gate valve is provided with a serial number for quality control. The serial number is engraved into the stem. The serial number provides full traceability in case there is ever an issue with a valve in the distant future. With the serial number, we can tell you what day the valve was built, on which assembly line it was built, who built it, who tested it and the results, who packed it for shipment, who the freight carrier was, what materials were used in the valve construction, how the valve was configured when it left the AVK factory, and the distributor or utility it was delivered to. To prevent bent or broken stems, AVK stems are at least twice the strength required in the AWWA gate valve standards, ensuring that a broken stem will not require expensive excavation and repair. AVK valves are designed so that excessive operating torques will not damage them. A stem sealing system of O-rings and a wiper ring ensures a long and leak-free life of the valve. The upper O-rings can also be replaced under full line pressure as required by AWWA. A bushing centers the stem and prevents wear on the O-rings during valve operation and to help ensure smooth valve travel. AVK has developed an innovative bonnet bolting system to provide longer valve life and excellent performance. The body-to-bonnet bolting system ensures that you will never have a failure due to bonnet bolt corrosion. First, the O-ring style bonnet gasket sits in a groove cast into the bonnet. This ensures that the bonnet gasket will always be retained and will not blow out from internal pressure in the valve. Second, the bonnet gasket completely encircles each bonnet bolt, protecting the bolts from corrosion caused by contact with the internal water or external groundwater. Third, Our standard bonnet bolts are 304 stainless steel, and we can also supply 316 stainless steel or zinc-plated steel as an option. Fourth, the bonnet bolts are screwed into the tap holes in the valve body and then topped with hot melt, further isolating the bolt from corrosion. The bonnet bolts never come in contact with water or soil. Our matched pair of bronze thrust collars lock into grooves machined into the stainless steel stem. Testing has proven that this type of thrust collar to stem design can withstand torque levels that are up to 5 times higher than those required by AWWA. The gland flange's ductile iron has 2 lifting lugs to help with valve handling. Valves 14 inches and larger are provided with lifting eyes to ease in installation. All gland flange bolts are 304 stainless steel as standard, and as an option can also be 316 stainless steel or zinc-plated steel depending on your requirements. Our operating nuts are ductile iron. This helps prevent damage from mishandling such as dropped operating keys. After assembly, every valve is pressure tested to AWWA gate valve standards. The stems on larger valves are provided with keys in order to mount gearing or motor operators without expensive modifications. All AVK gate valves can be provided with keyed stems and mounting plates for easy automation. AVK gate valves are certified to comply with NSF 61 for use in drinking water systems. Our gate valves are also lead-free and certified to NSF 372 to comply with the low lead requirements of the Safe Drinking Water Act. Our gate valves can be provided with a wide range of options and accessories. NRS and OS&Y, polyethylene ends for direct fusion into a polyethylene distribution system, hand wheels, chain wheels, geared operators, electric motor operators, an optional polyurethane exterior coating for additional protection in corrosive soils, a high-pressure version for use up to pressures of 350 psi, and we manufacture a range of UL-FM gate valves which can be provided with post indicators. AVK gate valves have an innovative design for great reliability, excellent performance, and a long operating life. When choosing a gate valve for your distribution system, make sure you specify a gate valve with the following: a holiday-free interior coating to achieve the best corrosion resistance, a stainless steel stem that ensures no lead, high strength, and reliability, protected stainless steel bonnet bolts for a long life, even in corrosive soils, serial numbers for quality control and traceability. And don't forget, we stand behind our products and support our customers. Every American AVK gate valve has a 10-year warranty. If you have any other questions on AVK gate valves or other fine products, visit our website.